If you're looking for the best Swiss Army knives, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on the features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Victorinox Swiss Army Multi-Tool Swiss Champ Pocket Knife. With up to 33 functions and tempered steel construction, this Swiss Army knife is one of the most versatile and durable available. Among the tools are a Phillips screwdriver, 2.45-inch blade, corkscrew, pliers, and bottle opener with screwdriver. Of particular note is the high quality of the pliers. Other essential tools include a mini ruler and a magnifying glass. As a result, you can use the pocket knife when deep in the jungle or around your home. All these tools make this pocket knife almost like a small toolbox that can prove useful when outdoors. There is a tool for every activity. The blade and the entire stainless steel construction is durable and corrosion resistant. The assembly is encased in sleek red ABS scales for additional durability and appeal. Unfortunately, the numerous tools makes this pocket knife a bit heavy at 6.5 ounces. It can also prove a hassle to pull out the tool you need. Also, the scissors and knife could be sharper. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Pocket Knife. If you don't want to spend much on a Swiss Army knife, we recommend choosing the Classic SD. It comes equipped with 7 tools, including a nail file, toothpick, tweezers, keyring, screwdriver, scissors, and a 1.25-inch blade. It's evident that the tool range is quite diverse, so you can rely on it for outdoor adventures such as hiking, backpacking, camping, or for a quick repair of a loose screw. The tools are made from tough, stainless steel to increase their durability and are housed in a red, polished, ABS plastic shell. For user convenience, the scissors are spring-loaded to reduce the strain on your fingers since they have a small profile. Generally, the pocket knife is compact, and it won't feel awkward integrating it in the set of keys you carry around every day. The main issue we take with this pocket knife is that the spring on the scissors can break easily, especially with frequent use. Also, the tools are small and there's a high chance that they can hurt you when handled incorrectly or when they snap. Apart from that, it has fewer tools in comparison to higher-end Victorinox pocket knives, which have at least 15 tools. The number 3 position is held by Victorinox Swiss Army Rescue Tool. The Rescue Tool comes with up to 12 convenient tools that you can use on a variety of projects or for survival when outdoors. The pocket knife comes in stainless steel construction for durability, is 4.8 inches long, and weighs less than 6 ounces. Even though it has various tools that you find on other types of Swiss Army knives, it has an extra serrated blade for effective and precise cutting. The other tools include a disc saw, an emergency glass breaker, and a carrying case that is quite convenient. That makes it quite portable and easy to store in your vehicle or around the house. On the downside, the positioning of the screwdriver makes it uncomfortable to use in tight spaces. The pocket knife is also not budget-friendly, and the blade may tend to get dull after a short period. Also, some people find the various tools to be too tight to pull out. Next at number 4 we have Victorinox Swiss Army Multi-Tool Tinker Pocket Knife. The Tinker Pocket Knife is another affordable option from Victorinox. It features 12 functions, including a Phillips screwdriver, reamer, can opener, toothpick, tweezers, wire stripper, and a variety of blades. The selection of tools indicates that you can use this pocket knife for both work and play. It will come in handy for opening a can of food and also for performing light mechanic duties. The tools are made from stainless steel and housed in the signature red, polished, ABS plastic housing. The largest blade is 3.6 inches long, which is long enough to provide a fatigue-free cutting experience. Also, the tool is compact enough to function as an EDC knife. Unfortunately, some of the tools including the tweezers might feel a bit flimsy. It's important to tighten all the tools once you receive your package to keep them from snapping easily. Also, the blades are pretty sharp and may not be safe for young scouts. The number 5 position is held by Victorinox Swiss Army one-hand Trekker multi-tool pocket knife. The Trekker pocket knife is a professional-grade multi-tool with a design that branches out of the typical red plastic shell that's common with most Victorinox pocket knives. This option has a black, polished, ergonomic handle that offers a secure grip to prevent accidents. It also has a larger frame so that it can be fitted with larger tools. The most unique feature is the one-hand opening, stainless steel blade with a liner lock that keeps the blade secure when opened to prevent accidents. The lock also keeps the bottle opener in place for an easier time opening bottles. The tool features a set of 12 functions that you would need for everyday application. They include a Phillips screwdriver, tweezers, scissors, flathead screwdriver, wood saw, bottle opener, and a serrated locking blade. Unfortunately, it's a bit large and heavy for an EDC knife, and the serrated blades don't provide a clean cut. It's best to reserve this for your camping trips when you need to cut through wood or plants. The number 6 position is dominated by Victorinox Swiss Army multi-tool Evo Grip pocket knife. Equipped with 15 functions, the Evo Grip pocket knife is a great choice for outdoor adventures. The tools include a Phillips screwdriver, serrated edge scissors, wood saw, tweezers, and a 2.5-inch blade. We are impressed that the scissors are spring-loaded for easier operation, and have an inlaid rubber grip that helps you make quicker snips. The tools are tucked away in a yellow ABS shell that also includes rubber inlays for enhanced stability. The blade locks in place when opened for safe operation, and you will find it more comfortable to have the lock resting between the index and middle finger so that it doesn't get in your way when cutting. Besides that, the tool is compact enough to function as an EDC knife, and both the blade and bottle opener have a nail slit so that you can pull them out easily. Much like the other options, this too has a few limitations. For one, the lock might latch onto your pocket, and it may be a hassle trying to pull it out. Also, the spring on the scissors might slip off with frequent use. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Victorinox Swiss Army multi-tool Mini Champs pocket knife. The Mini Champ pocket knife packs a lot of useful functions in a compact design. It has 14 functions, which include a Phillips screwdriver, ruler, bottle opener, a pair of spring-loaded scissors, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and a 1.25-inch blade. It ditches the typical ABS scales for a silver Alox scale casing for maximum durability and sleek design. The tools are made from stainless steel and are tucked away in 3 layers. Pulling them out is easy with the nail slits provided, and each tool is strategically placed so that different tools can be pulled out on either side without getting in the way of each other. With the key ring provided and its lightweight design, the pocket knife sits comfortably on a keychain so that it can be within reach whenever you need it. The price is its most significant drawback. It's a bit more expensive than most Swiss Army knives. Also, it doesn't come with a tweezer or toothpick, which are common features with other Victorinox pocket knives. The number 8 position is held by Victorinox Swiss Army Knife Nail Clip 580. The Nail Clip 580 is an affordable, entry-level pocket knife with 8 functions that will help you accomplish basic tasks like taking care of your nails while you are on the go. They include a nail clipper, nail file, tweezer, toothpick, serrated edge scissors, and a 1.75-inch blade. The tools are housed in a red, polished, ABS casing with a key ring. All the tools are forged from stainless steel for stability and durability. The nail clippers are foldable and can be deployed with a simple flip. Also, a serrated edge on the scissors ensures that they won't go dull easily. Naturally, this option may not work for everyone for the reason that it has basic functions suitable for an EDC tool that may not be of much help as a survival tool. Also, the nail file is a bit too rough for filing fingernails. Next at number 9 we have Victorinox Cadet Alox Limited Edition 2020. If you are purchasing a new Swiss Army knife as a gift for someone in your life, you might want to consider one of the limited edition offerings from Victorinox. While a little more pricey at close to the $50 price point, you'll enjoy a unique design and aesthetic while still benefiting from a top quality product with all the features you might expect from a tool you can use around the house every day. Size and design. At 0.39x 0.39x 3.94 inches, and with a weight of just 45 grams, this is one of the lightest EDC options on our list today, so it is ideal for anyone comparing new pocket knives and looking for a smaller model. The color is a bold aqua blue, making it a fun gift for anyone who enjoys standing out from the crowd or who easily loses their tools. The year 2020 is printed on the back for anyone who wants a special memento of these unexpected times. Included tools. With 9 different functions to choose from, this Victorinox Swiss Army knife offers all of the tools you might need. The stainless steel set includes a larger size blade, 2 screwdrivers, and a wire stripper. For those handy personal tools, you'll enjoy a can opener, bottle opener, nail file, nail cleaner, and a key ring. There is no lockable blade or one-hand blade included in this tool. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Victorinox Swiss Army Waiter Pocket Knife. For waiters or bartenders, this is one of the best EDC tools you could add to your everyday carry kit at work, thanks to its small size and handy tools for opening bottles and cans. At under $20 and with a lifetime guarantee included, it's a risk-free purchase that will quickly become one of your most used tools. With a weight of just 35 g, a height of 12 mm, and a length of 3.25 inches, this is a handy folding tool set that will be a great addition to anyone who works in a restaurant's uniform. As with all of Victorinox's multi-purpose tools, you'll find a lifetime guarantee included, although this is unlikely to be needed thanks to the Celador handle material, which is hard-wearing and offers a good grip to all users. This compact design still offers users 9 different handy tools, all designed with bartenders and waiters in mind. All of the tools are made from top-quality steel and are contained within this small package. You'll find a larger knife blade in this device, which will come in handy for slicing fruit when preparing drinks. The can opener and cap lifter are ideal for anyone working behind the bar, as is the corkscrew. Finally, for your own personal use, you'll appreciate the key ring, tweezers, toothpick, wire stripper, and screwdriver. That's all for today. We upload outdoor product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.